are water resources. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. There are many sources of water. Rain is the main source of fresh water. Farmers depend upon rainwater for their crops. Much of the rain that falls seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater.
Rainwater also collects in ponds and lakes. A pond is an area of water surrounded by land. A lake is bigger than a pond. Rivers are also an important source of fresh water. Rivers that originate in the mountains get water from both rain and the melting of snow. Hence, they carry water throughout the year.
Rivers that originate from the plateaus get water only from rain. They almost dry up during summer.
Most of the water on the earth is in the seas and oceans. However, this water is salty. We cannot use it. Since rainwater is not available throughout the year, farmers use different means of irrigation to water their fields.
Sometimes groundwater lies at a great depth. In such a case, a deep hole is dug. A tube is sunk in the hole and water is brought up using an electric pump. Such a well is called a tube well.
It is widely used in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. In the northern and coastal plains, small channels called canals are dug to take water from the river to the fields. In the southern plateaus, big reservoirs called tanks get filled with water during the monsoon season. Water from these tanks is drawn out to water the fields.
Tank irrigation is mostly practiced in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. In sprinkler irrigation, water from a pipe is sprayed into the air.
It falls on crops like rain. This method is popular in Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala. Dams are also built in many places to irrigate the fields.
A dam is a very strong wall built across a river to block the flow of water. This water is stored in an artificial lake called reservoir created behind the dam. The stored water is taken to the fields through canals. The Tehri Dam, built on the Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand, is the highest dam in India. The Hirakud Dam, built on the Mahanadi River in Odisha, is the longest dam in India.